Hello everyone. As part of the Beta Career program, during weeks 13 to 15, tasks were completed for the Beta project. The first task was to design one-page open graph visuals for different Beta products, including Beta App, Beta Edo, Beta Business, and Beta Pay, Beta Pro. Each open graph design was created to clearly present the product ideas and maintain visual consistency across all PyDA services. These visuals are used for websites and the social media sharing. The next task was working on the blog section of the PyDA project. Nine blog topics were prepared based on existing website themes such as taxes, document processing and accounting, business workflows. For each blog page, text content and the image ideas were prepared to match the topics. After the content preparation, the blog pages were built in Webflow. Each page layout was created block by block according to the design structure, including headings, text sections, images, and the overall layout. These tasks helped improve skills in UI design, content structuring, and the practical workflow usage. Overall, this experience within the Beta Career program provided hands-on practice with real businesses, projects, deadlines, and the teamwork. So, bye.